聯邦保守黨黨魁博勵治今日於卑詩省內陸嘅 Okanagan 地區拉票，佢再次抨擊自由黨扼殺本國嘅能源發展，以及為本國嘅小企業等發展嘅設置咗重重嘅障礙。承諾當選之後會精簡管理規則。陳一蘭報道。
博勵治指出，喺過去10年，執政聯邦自由黨出台嘅各類繁瑣規定，嚴重限制本國小企業嘅發展。
Today, the federal government imposes 149,000 individual rules on our small businesses. That's 20,000 more than there were a decade ago before the lost Liberal decade. The burden is staggering, $51 billion of administrative costs on small businesses alone due to federal red tape.
因此導致唔少小企業紛紛南下，而呢一個正係美國總統特朗普希望嘅。博勵治仲提到，自由黨嘅10年壓制本國嘅能源發展，而新黨魁卡尼無意解開壓喺本國能源業上面嘅枷鎖。博勵治再次打擊自由黨，攻擊自己係加拿大嘅特朗普。
Trump has endorsed the Liberals. He said it would be easier for him if the Liberals stay in power. He said it multiple times. He said that he doesn't agree with me, he doesn't support me, and he doesn't want me to be Prime Minister of Canada. I think a lot of people have to ask themselves, why does Donald Trump want the Liberals in power for a 4th term? The answer is clear. He wants Canada to be weak.
針對博勵治近期嘅表現，有資深保守派策略專家認為，博勵治若果想逆襲，應該捉住機會，強調卡尼同杜魯多及其代表嘅極左政策同埋思想嘅緊密關聯，同時針對民眾最關心嘅問題，例如減稅、縮細政府、住房危機等，提出明確嘅政策方案，雙管齊下，保守黨仍然有機會改寫選情。